guys, welcome to the Spooky Season YouTube Hop, hosted by Leslie with Mermaid Cove Studio. What she wanted us to do for this week was to pick a candy and create a packaging with a matching tag. Now, I used Swedish fish kisses and M&Ms, and so I really couldn't think, I don't really have any tags or anything that would match that. So I did my best that I could. But anyway, so let's just go ahead and let me show you some of the things that I used first before I show you the project. So first of all, I used Paper Phenomenon's Enchanted Shadows, and that was designed by me. And I also used the ZF Party Halloween big size potion bottle, and it's a shaker, right? So what I used was the scully bones, the scully head, and then this like ornate, you know, label shape, okay? I also used, this is from KS Craft, this is like a little, I think, candy box holder or something. So I used this longer tag and then this shorter one. All right, I also used some flat back pearls from Eyelet Outlet, as well as, actually I didn't use these. I'm lying. Okay, but I did use these, and I used some black diamond flat backs of my own. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I created. Oh, and I forgot to mention too that I did use some, I think this is Dollar Tree polka dot burlap ribbon, and what I like about this is that it has the wire in it, so that's really nice. And again, here were the flat backs that I got from Amazon. Okay, so let's get on in here. So I decided to go ahead and cut the Scully out, and some of the inks that I used were Tim Holtz Honey and also Tim Holtz Black Soot. And this is where I have like the little label, and all I did was go ahead and distress it with a black soot. This font is mine. This is and I created the background for it as well. And since it was a lighter purple, I went ahead and darkened it up with some black soot to make it, you know, not look so like it didn't match, right? And then here's the little eyelet, you know, right? Eyelet flat backs from Eyelet Outlet. Actually, this was also from Eyelet Outlet right here. I forgot to mention that. This is actually a brad, and I just took the little backings off of it and then glued it on here. And then again, this is that label from ZF Party, or was it, no, KS Craft, sorry. This little label tag from KS Craft. These were both for ZF Party. But anyway, I thought it turned out super cute. I just went ahead and wrapped it with the burlap ribbon and just did lots of layering with foam tape, and then I just thought it came out really cute, guys. So this little pillow, by the way, pillow box, is a design from Graphic Fairy. So I don't know if it's free because I have the membership with Graphic Fairy. So if you don't, I don't know, you might be able to just look it up, right? So I'm not really 100% sure, but I will mention one thing. If you have a Cricut, the lines for the scoring, it did not show it as that. It showed it as a basic cut. So I just want to make sure to let you know that you'll need to switch the basic cut to scoring, okay? Just for the outline dotted lines, right? And then you should have no issues whatsoever. And then again, I added the little, you know, black rhinestone flatbacks on here. So I think it turned out super cute, guys. What do you think? Well, guys, don't forget to visit the other channels. I'll have all the links down below in the box, as well as the links for the items that I use that are available, okay? Anyway, guys, hope you have a wonderful and a fabulous weekend, and tomorrow I have the tutorial. Bye-bye.